Yeah, it's a puppy girl.
You playing with Kelly?
Kelly.
Big. Oh, you trying to climb on my lap, you sweet little thing? I'd have to put Kelly down and pick up. Oh, well, I guess he's leaving. The Iceman wanted to be held.
Daddy?
Two of them went under our bed.
Yeah.
Dado.